Ninyo kuita kati. Unombotomwe.
Unombotomza zvezvi.
Marakadhiamba. Wakadhiamba.
Ndini wanangwamba sinle.
Ndingakamboza rukunde ti.
Unyontwisa kavathu zvino ndichivamba rukunde.
Nakadhiyaga point inojena chikeva ngwa mtifedzi.
Azviambi.
Accent yanite vekwimba.
Ndoje waneza zvithu zvinji ngolangwa. Zvine ini nichirukunde aningozviwana.
Ndojena chikeva imweni pera ya.
Ndikuita ni ara.
Ara mini. Tofuna ukrine. Ama race.
Zvoluga.
It's fine. Guys, koni tanganeza ka episode ya the Black Couch. There's an episode of guy. Kani there's no nomboro tindini.
Vadobarela. Ngori ndine auna nomboro.
Why are you yantu?
Yeah, mara I get it. Nani ndazo dobya nomboro kare ya.
Yeah, exactly. So namserani disera rokuita cost search hapo zomti wote. Disera no da audition.
You done?
Devi ndofanchi ya.
Ndikutenda zvi show yano. Ndikutenda zvote zvina kuhamba ti.
It's fine. Okay, namserani disera the black in my namsivotaka producer.
When kushimza the black animal?
Ndishimza utenda madhiva mamunhu. Ndikadhana unga
guys.
Ndikadhana nala coffee likuda.
I coffee guys, it's coffee.
But then why W into itonga iri po.
Tezo ndo nyengo ibanga chivenda, ndazi chivenda.
What do you mean?
It's Ashanti.
Ndichigana.
Nyo kuti chigana ndi zvimwevo mara.
Okay, it's fine.
Chivana mzinengo ndi South African. Does it make sense to you?
Oh, so ndiroma okay mara zvibagana ti.
Yes.
Makes sense now. Okay, randikadini tanganedza vachimani hangwa. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. So namserina the black animal coffee na wafamativa zvabdivudi. Zina la coffee libaga arina beda then alone.
Ndichifani chekutsianga.
Ndichifani masiko? Really?
That's why it's Miss Coffee.
Oh. Makes sense. Then la black animal alikupage.
Ndakutofila wild. Ndozumbula ngoduba unodzura and I was like it makes so much sense.
Ngavonese thought that.
Ndomudialu amen. Just a stage, ndaka stage.
Mara stage andichikadiva wona mamunhu.
Ndika stage.
Okay, zvina ni zvona high school ungadiva zvona na zvino. Nothing
You
is
think
changed.
so?
I know so.
For real? It's
Yeah.
weird. Nandi ani high school?
I know so.
High school man, I feel like I was calmer. Come on.
No ways. Don't need the bangor nani to calm. That's the only reason I knew you.
Ndikuita ndingori ndoba ndikuzogera class ndabva ndaya.
Papa, simple as that. Auna zvino zvina ngambofi mtu waita wakupopo basi. Uba uchikupapa. Na kuchiniki kwani.
Ndonobienda ndipapera.
Obvious nasa papira. Nachipapira wadididzi. Ningapapira niona chikolo.
Ai bathu. Nenda ndichipapera padededzi.
Okay, so it's fine.
It's fine. Hey.
Okay, and then arina mverisa kuti jena kure. Ngodino ami. Ndaona mbamula. Ndawazenda ndia screenshot chimwe watwa kuita nti. Kawatsapp nchiposta. Ndivani kusko screenshot.
Nobone ndongwana mini.
The video. Guys, I really want to cry. Like, I don't know.
Oh, ndidzoenda kuyongorira. Adulting, baby, I need it, is it? Baby, is in right?
No, but when you're kanjiri but we're broke.
Yes, usually ndichiri ndina taidzo nimzi ndina cherede. Tina ingo taidzo kuchoni yanga ndine cherede. If I've got problems, I don't have money and that's it.
Then how do you solve that?
Even if ndina taidzo imweri, ndokakisa Mike.
No,
Sorry.
no,
Ufundisa ngorwa. Ndithlani.
Show your tomorrow nanji tomorrow Mike. Okay, so on to the next one. Rekonyaga mtu wavili. On the coast. Uyu barrel.
Ndinotoka Mike. 5 minutes in.
Not even 5.
Sorry, chado disajanda. Ndandikuri ndakutauchidza mini yabe.
Nakutauchidza mini. Zvidina izvino zvamba suri chitari yawo.
Ndinrovori nyambesa.
Oh, rakamazolira uri ni broke anina cherede.
Oh, uri nabi yanapfa ndichiri ndina taidzo ndimsi ndisina cherede. It's only when I don't have money. Other problems don't move me. Tina ingo taidzo and then I cherede.
And then I asked you ni solvisani into yourself.
If I don't have money?
Yeah.
I go and try and get money.
I bet you're a girl. How do you get money?
I do a lot of things. Ngomona vela verzona chitoko chingafani mudinona yana mudinona sushinchiso. I'm unboxing kurindia mini. I sell whatever I can sell. Ye
That came out wrong, eh?
really mara ndikasichive ebhogisini ezvo zvine inakumbura zvone hazvijini bhogisini umike hayi utsinisa guys now stop him woini kuibona kulenyana nenga yotobikwa hafa ikonchipa
atikopapa
okay maybe irandisendere murao ndikopfara proper yeah so I do a lot of stuff so ndichicomplain kuti tina chirede ndimuzivi zvithu zvisakuyanga ndira ine ndoplana ngayo yeah but eventually zviyachimbira though tikori ndingava broke 2 months
weekend kanjira chimbira I've seen you on weekends anyway
that's the thing guys nena mzindina 50 randa I'm gonna go out because I'm
do what 50 rand
ndarenga femini cappuccino ndibwai nonombona nditacha
mara the restaurants don't is those vibes
Tifiyo. I don't go to expensive restaurants. I just know how to choose good restaurants. And people don't know that.
Plus, it's in Chinatown.
Una mini Chinatown.
What did they
Nigga no yanda wana cappuccino Chinatown.
The samosa.
Imingo. Yeah, ne. Mara this namsi ndina 150 ndiyabva. Nana mzini nchituwa pa ndinga diva. Zvyamburu ndina cherede.
Na ugaya namsi?
Trena peni.
Udo ni Visanto?
Ni.
Greg, ave neti okuamba.
Greg. Ai, maduri jamugara wakaveyo. Udombiso la. Riva rudzura ne panduni ula mtu ari kuta zvichimbire chimbire.
Oh, okay. Ngazime zorotanganisa nini? Ndakuzama zimulera. How did you even meet Uapfa? I know it's high school, Mara. How did you?
Was it not a
church? High school, probably church.
Hey, it was probably a church. Mara, if it was a church, then it has to be before high school.
No, not before high school.
Because tipe uneni pandanga.
Imnanga ngomti isonchansela.
Ndinoyora watu vanongani mukala hapo.
Because also if it was church, it has to be
resurrection.
Yeah, resurrection.
Resurrection ndobandi.
Kazi kereke zabe zingavchife Sunday school.
Oh yeah, Sunday school.
Yeah, resurrection.
It was resurrection school. Yeah. I think so. I don't meet a resurrection because then I leader resurrection. Arifonele ntambe.
Amfonele. Niko swifa.
I was the intercessor. What are you saying, bro?
Hemu haubo kashi na ufinyidisa za gayo
yabana. Nani chidisa zitabiro biona dzingwana nne ndaita plane. Ndanditsinisa na mdzimu.
Kana kechivenda ini.
No, ndandi na yabala yao nabo bafi Salume. Yes, baba skele.
Vakadivanayo.
Ini ndatso ndikori ini mulwa no jena kale vakadivana skele baba chibulukiwa ndi chini resurrection.
No, zvino vane skele ndandi nabo fastini. Mfoni ntambi ya. Chingasifari chinandu.
Chinami.
Chigogo.
Marona dzilo shading Venda. Ya Venda kuti yogumanga 1.
Daropani, repeat this.
Mara arikudomubudzisa ndikunyaga atifuni vatu vachivononga ndi mtu.
No, mna ndatina na ina rampa bana.
Butsen rampa bana then. I was the intercessor at church.
Then why don't you check let's even start there.
Ndori chekereke ne? No zvino unenda jena one ndi ashara. What are you saying?
Mwana fana femini ndishuma parking kerekeni zosu.
Atishum emna ndikwamba ashara yavo kuma ya.
Na vaka intercessor ne country
because this side atikudo intercessor ngauri
ndochuza
Zamini?
Zangange but wana matata mahulu ngakelo. Nikaswara bele hawa.
Let me tell you the truth. Ndandikodo none atia shara ndika stewardship. So zvimwe zvitoda nichiyesa kerekeni bo Tuesday mina and I don't have that time. So that's why ndonanga yayo because I do it once in 6 weeks. Sunday intika 6 weeks.
So
I just wanted to serve. I just wanted to do one thing at church. Ngorondodowela.
What's with people in serving at church?
I love serving at church. Because I just feel like Uamba, what do you mean? Okay. I just feel like why should I go to church and then everything else is running but I'm not part of the reason why things are running. I can't just go to church, sit and ndafunzi wandava but everything is running smooth. Who's running it if it's not me?
Were you in the worship team?
Ndojena boma 3 weeks.
Na bvaje. Now
Ndandikwenyango uimba mnyanya nwaropiwa.
Nanemba. Ina ne mnyanya nwaropiwa ati.
Ndoimba.
Nakurunda nemeza helicopter nini.
Hauna helicopter? I chose the man ndakuyonto nditsintsini uri nazliwa access and stuff. I wanted to be close anifana ngomngom.
Mnyanya nwaropiwa mupio.
Uotom.
It's wrong mara. Refanda.
No. Mara it's reality. Onula. Yeah. So ndandikani nditsintsini wabaiva ndochatisa. Guys, I've been so close to church.
Wabumtiwi inochatisa.
Wachata.
Umtiwi uchata wana mfumakadzi. What do you mean?
Ndandigai. Ndandu comes down on my tefa. Wangu chata rono tua. Rono vazivazite.
Tisho.
man also abalani also ndandisi close nabo ngoraro ngizibona wo ropiwa ndoba the way because Murendi was my friend and
nimngana wanu Murendi
we rich colonia
wait kolega chikeba
namtsiria yan kirkeni
nachidzira mission
no atinguyenda Venda ndadzira mission
hey and then wait nanojenera worship team muntu fumini zamunyanya kana nanikotevera namngana wanu
mngana wangu upe
hola wena rwa naye
ndangamutevera nenampo chifini kotevera mutu nechangwili
why not
no it was a thing also like I'm saying ndani mngana wa Murendi so after school zvazvi exciting richedzi fasting rothe achiri kwa practice nane I want to go because I thought it was cool but yeah
nachita unofasta zvakuma kana it was just that thing or
nenda ndichifasta zvakuma
ndinyasa fasta zvakuma
ati dipe ini
no nenda chifasta mamoni nabetera nginga zvilingo
nenda ndichifasta ndotostopiwa yani
amuna why why
because ndine ndotononochena CWC yani so my bajena charis yeah. So my grandmom bavachijena actually ayani rima Luther ready so
and vatu valutera vana zvivi
rombo dito diverse varino zvivi
vangolo every week that's what I heard
no mara mutu wangolo every day ngamudzimu anyways so what's your point
makes sense why nchiwe nolicha kereke
tingolicha kereke ndio nibvisera mini isomedzere
narichi kusvika pori
ndori I haven't been to CWC in 3 years cause homo divana covid ndapfuruchera ngeno
nichiya Venda nonomena kerekeni
ndibuya ngasonda ndotonga Friday ndidojena ngachimanda kerekeni
ndito after actually that day no bia no
muna chotoma tina gore ndi mtu wa lift hafu kutuwanga 9 nne ndiri haika vaime
like
I don't get it nikori mini what is your point ndirika vaime ndiri mini
and then ningamaka gore remember I usually thought ni mwana wa Rambani adiva nachidanga NP 200
mwana wavo
afukuma ndachifunga ni mwana wa Rambani
so that's what happened
like oh this kid ni mwana wa funzi yatonga man
and zvazvichimpa ndondumisa ukerekeni los
ngorina wa Rambani nasikono daga lift
and danga lift no mara like I was saying hayani rotary valutere like the entire family because in the family originally my family ndiya chivase so rivalutere like hard on
so ni jeni wachivase vanhu
wachivase baby chivase chote ndichiti so yeah so rotary atomozvona zori tonga wakomedzisa nyana rabva ngasvituku hatosara vaulwane so nne ndichiya CWC it was a choice ndandichi because arambani vavachirabera every night so I used to love that so ndandichiya rambani ndamu every day yani past 9 because ndi neighbor yanga like hausina na fence in between so nditobuya hayani so that's how I started going to CWC and I enjoyed it more actually uperesa Luther ndikadifuna namusi
zomwensa CWC ni
pano ike ikule nane
unayavaiva unayaropiwa
yavaiva iso wetu right
ya
ropo epitori ndidzira gain
sedevi nyari kudza kuti location yanu
I don't mind
wafodzira midrende vigai
ndiyaringisana mangrasi nivampudzana zvezvo arinkuva pa location
okay oye nideni je mangrasi udzira dzina antu napera chota asati unopera kudimera azvikopira rumwe zvikomborera zveka background and then when you find it work mean because I feel like at some point nachivwanikwa muchimono ndichikwamba ladva ndichiri mean kana you're like where do I work ndopandirwa
no first things first I'm a freelancer tindika media
freelancer ndivinavo netizvipfesese zvitu
ndi mutu nditoma mutu unoita shuma ngatenda ndishuma nga project so last year ushumira mahala the fuck
what's the free doing there
no freelancer nduri ningava na project tarunga chunga chiti yeah ndive isi 9 to 5 so I was a 9 to 5 before that and then last year ndawana this ETV project through Render Post. I don't think you know Render Post. It's a company in Randburg. And then so Vang hire as a post-production supervisor. So it was just for 8 months. Shoot as right was it was a pera. Each pera, I have to make sure I get another project. That's how it works. At TVND 9 to 5. TVND na mushumo ushkera. So basically ndi mupanding at Venda.
Ndizvezvo. Nanga finga ngachimini mumpandezi chivenda.
Nyapenga.
Ahiva vashi
ndichimini upanda
pena press up push up panda play ndizwa lot as ndichivenda loves to
okay mutu unopanda ngachivenda upimi
mtu filimba nditofilimbira
ndimufilimbira then it's okay zvozoluka but yeah zvino ini thonya mna kupfunga ndofayariwa
no I just thought alingalisa phela
mara ndibononga ndingaitani mshumo ndichenja nganithatisa
probably una beer class you're not funny.
In media you are allowed to drink beer mjumoni ka yashu uchikoshutiwa so
Chambona
watu
yaka
vavakona
corporate yakuma natatiwa dhazo none of the media.
no nani ngendo noshuma mndobani atitubya ndatatiwa titatiwa
And then what else would you do to get fired? Ngafleta na boss endini themi zabudo.
no actually
papa,
actually boso ingafleta nane not the other way around.
Why in Korea?
Have you seen my face?
I see your face right now.
Have you seen what I look
I'm
like
seeing the makeup
if you were
now.
my boss?
Ndonibona nda makeup. Nche no buzukana.
Ndidziro ndisina makeup musindito ndotodhora zvino nga camera.
Okay.
No, like honestly, zvano mara no zvofleta bona boss ndikasiita.
Ningedishwe zvine ngatatiwa zvine zvine nazidiva.
Being too outspoken, maybe like udimereresa. I think ndiyafunesa ucorrect. Nachikoro ndirana problem nene nabadidis. I question a lot of stuff. So arenda wana mutu as comfortable with that zvinganditatisa.
Zvone zvinorisona mungano wano.
Upyo.
Penyo.
Zvapenyo kumborisonga mangazvoka interview.
I don't know story.
No, like last time I did it on my YouTube video. Now this mention adzina it involved families and stuff. So I don't wanna.
Oniswa.
Unganswa ndizongamba dzina lawe.
Okay, ndashimisa rudama udokotela then.
No, ndo amba naka video last ndoita ngoraro. Ndafoneliwa.
Ngai kana mkomana wangu kana
Family. So it was huge. So I don't wanna go back. Yeah, and for me it wasn't that big. Mara bachizita zvanga gorala. I was like, okay, maybe then ndikubona ngandi sustuku. Mara kabo it hit hard. So I don't wanna talk about her. I think I must respect her. Dimuri choraro. Mbutsen ngaba.
Ndiko noyo.
No, wonkumbera hawe uri. Can you please not?
Oh shame.
You know. So atimuvengi and I still think she's a nice person. So ndingasi ndokaidziwa ndadoba. Atituwa mtu wa bed morale.
Ndona nabafunza we.
Yes.
Would you call and say?
And you know someone was asking me ndintambe uri ndina issue zo
Uvije Martins, but wamdona J Martins.
No, nekandongona vintambe best friend. So zuzva J Martins ndizvaviwe.
Ntambe best.
I still have her numbers unless I don't change her. And no, obviously I know the deal tadzanga. Yeah. But I think change her. Zvozvo zvina ndicho ndongwara zvona renda ndongoro sweetheart tsiedzorala. I don't delete people's numbers.
Man, ndiko hangu no introduce. Abata badena zvere Uapfa. Who's Uapfa? Arina mereme Uapfa ndinyi. Rikoso kutuma bala afana. Watu bani divo todzo.
Ayombutse yakonda Uapfa ndinyi. Inonga notangana mtu kana tell me about yourself.
Why would a guy ask you that question? Let's
Abaone, bewe niko boresa ka DM.
Songompanga. Songompanga the.
Niko boresa
shingwe. Please.
Nipo ndo ono nivora kama shone tell me about yourself. And you're like
yeah, like I'm Uapfa.
Okay, what do you ngoja ndishitoma guy.
I can keep friends.
I keep a lot of friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just not all.
And ondingandotohelwa ngavaviri.
Okay.
Yeah. Ka 100.
Yeah, but the happy who's Uapfa, like just a summary of yourself, who you are, for people who don't know you.
Usually but I'm a DJ, I'm all right. I don't know. Ini mara niandhiva, come on. Ini zamani ndi before ini ningan describe design if it was you.
Okay, so when you Uapfa, no, don't remember Uapfa papa. What the hell?
Mara ndi papa guys.
No, papa. I think that come on past tense to high school.
Oh, I don't know calm, Mati.
If that's what you say.
Ini describe ndi.
No, it's fine. But don't need divas zinto zikadi. Are you carved?
Yes.
I'm Ghana food.
Yeah.
What's with you in Ghanaian men? Or is it the first one that I do? Can I know na muwe? Nindaire no vaga timer. Wamba chimini kozi ya Ghana?
English.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah,
back to the previous question. Ndio no la watu magana.
Watu ndio wali need the
Wala jesi ya anti ya black na tambo orange.
Oh no. Wow, waka profile picture. That's the yeah, ndanda fall labon.
Yeah, amba who's carved you now?
No. I don't see Mwambedzina obviously, but yeah.
Yeah, obviously I don't need the name, Mara.
But he's from Ghana as well.
What's with you in Ghana, man? That was my question also.
And we just find each other. I don't know.
Back to my roots.
I don't want to say it like that because I've dated Venda guys as well. I mean,
who's the Venda guy you dated? Besides Olona and the Songamba were in the exposure.
What do you mean who's the Venda guy I've dated? Zvinongori into ukofi as he interviewed the host. Nande ndinibudise erichipedza pa.
Interview.
You know ndingasiyambe madzina.
Interview ndodzibona nga Tuesday. Eno ndobvanga dzola shila special. Ambai. Ndinyi.
Ndingasiyambe madzina.
Na pfana mtu antu oduma Venda.
Oh, tifana watu oduma.
Why? Marichogona chiduma.
No, he wasn't. Nah, he's not famous. Come on.
Maje funny.
Yeah, are you Instagram following you? Uduma ndi mean Martin. Oduma guy. He's not famous.
We'll come back to that actually. Or Uduma ndi mean. But then fonga wala mtu he's popular.
Kabe iwe. Ngore achijivera rine. Okay, Oduma guy umwe.
Okay, kashi mara yo farana ti.
Yeah, Oduma.
Diva mamako intercessor. Okay, interpreter like kashi yo farana.
I don't think Oduma.
But basha wana zikereke zvono in case unono ba Joburg no shava kereke di Brazil
kola. I love CWC with everything in me. Ndifuna CWC ngambiri anga na bafunzi banga bothe ndikadivana boka WhatsApp I communicate with them. I tingazi iriche CWC. Womadzinge is probably one of I don't know. Tipo ndichingadwanda ndas respect mfunzi ufana nangandira ine nda respect ngaye Womadzinge.
I hope your pastor is not watching this.
No, bazvidivana napo ndiye bathoni pa mara Womadzinge is my
Bala TV ni.
Chris Matebula. Ba Hope Restoration.
Yes. Yo ni yakasota TV.
Anetitin.
How TV.
Awabaone. Kazo wetu.
Rainbow ona mamuna.
Nindi jena branch ni ya midrand so.
Nishwa gaba watu tiyashara shimasa zikipa.
Ati ila yo gaba. Njela yozo mona ndo fara body or welcome what. Oh, have a nice service. Yana. Una matu mono haere wa usmaile abantu.
Shenta barini. Why nizanya give mto dumo?
Ndingasimgone.
Why? Because it's just a man. If I want to tell
also I feel like to do about already like you said ndiyapha mna rosongori ndiyapha ndi outspoken.
Yeah, you're outspoken.
So I prefer calm guys. I usually do quiet calm guys. Ngombona no lobo phumula ms. Exactly. That's my type because I need to shine. Ringasibe kurasa rothe mdini. Ungasibe na mulalo mdini. So muthi ukuthi uyabuya phasi, I'll do the talking. Yeah, so I need a calm guy. Ndikunyanga mtukana na followers over 200 this.
Ngowina mfana.
Unathu pose CV. Zingavula soon. Pause.
Zikodovula. Akuita zone mngana.
Azimafunga izo tizi expire zithu.
Saziliwa zinevarengisa.
And because we are not anytime soon, we're still good. So
is he around here in South Africa? Kana nto ya Ghana.
Utoda.
Ina ndiwana ya Ghana.
Don't know ya.
Do you know your grandfathers, your grand what you call whatever from Ghana?
My granddad is not alive anymore. My grandmom is.
What do you mean? Is it fine to say my granddad is not alive anymore? You can still say my granddad is not alive now, Gumene. Because anymore is like when I'm option, okay. I don't know.
I don't know dictionary into podcast itanuamba.
No, it's fine. So
I'm just saying
and your grandmother
baka dichira. Baba one na she was actually in SA like in February. Yeah, ndenda babona.
So ngoshimza surname your lady.
Yeah, ndikashimza emyanga and I don't think I'll change.
And I used to ask myself that question, why as a few Uapfa rambani? Kani vafunzi varasi ngoshimza changa. Vakomsireda samana msanda. And
when but again still na namziba borogari waraman, which is okay because we are like very close family friends because even Kudi union the ngana borambani. Kudi is like my sister.
Dina ngwana mtho borambani ngana.
Niko shibona bathu badibane ngwana borambani ubana bana babili ba ulwani. Ibane even when they come here my friends know her as my sister because we are that tight. We grew up together. Yeah.
Ngantuna ko support me. I had this question this was for Ghana. Nga World Cup na ko support team if
at divina zo yove yari ni World Cup.
Ya 2010 ya yoduma. Naka grade 6 in. Masa dashikeva.
Ndobe ndokuchi.
Aka the save your there
I am so ignorant. How could save your school fees yami?
Once on that grade ara na bangu.
Guys keva. Ndoto thatiwa liva if there's one thing you don't know. Yes.
Eliwa wathatha man.
Tingoro thatiwa boto badedezi boto tangana babonori the queen and this ndiyeka private school because ndo generally beka the private yali chati apparently nandisaphi tisure ngori na ndi ṅwana but ba advice ababebi vangori vambvise ndi tshi swika tshikeva vokri va advice ababebi vangori vambvise
tshikeva
no ndi tshi swika tshikeva nda twa ndi sa pfi
robela vone madodzi jamba no vone madodzi voni kone
ha vone madodzi von kone von setha bo vhuya vankhumisa ndo ambara tshuniki ṱhukhu vha gete nda huma zwa vhukuma havhala vha tshi nseta
mianga vhuya vhaḓisi wa muna
no itani
okay mianga vha vha grade 10 grade 11 ya da mthusi enda riwa nga maanḓa grade 12 for danyi grade 10 to 12 akho dam babe ndiko ku suspendiwa
mianga vho daluthi
nando na the grade khali ka grade 10
oh he's such a nice man unorela mina nabo
no how itami kana nando vhatatisi la zwine rini ya nyaga u ita utendo tshithu tshi right
na nendo rana vho malindi mianga vho disiwa zwezwo
ka grade 9 na nendo dena vho malindi vha kompusha phanḓa nga navho nda vha pushela murahu nani
ne vha ku rondela nga story mara it's past tense now
mali mne bwanu
ndi mnibo nga vho malindi
and black genie
malindi was with extinction nga engage kev so
ba wala lufule fige
ipfi minini la area anathi dipa asikani ngiyeshikeva mangi mabidani
yasidiva vanhu vakona vanhu black genie ngo fuzira mabidani
no vanhu vanozira khali ngezokuma
and then riko yambe okay no retonga chamanga that friend of yours nini chine changadori ninilwe na mungana apart from okay not apart from anything
ulwa as in ulwa kana uri ndidibvise
udibvisa zvote you never know no actually udibvisa because ningadana mutradwa na vuyelana and fix your things yeah
atifuni zwithu zwa one sided like if you are going to be too dependent on me I'm going to cut you off
wakudependa kaini
emotionally and niyavadevale vathu vane nichifona nidova nikwamba uri muthu ari how are you and you're like oh no I'm going through this and this ari oh okay ubvapo adana yawe thaidzo that's a red flag because meaning that person doesn't want to listen to you they just want you to listen to them so avo ndiyavakata tirengi when it comes to that
but then isn't it like in no more open enough space also urinani akono amba udipyawo
that's what people think ndivandisa kunivhurira space chori ini ambe nombusori ndihani ndikonibuzori ti right zvino ini kupfuura ini yade ano receive right ndirondanozava right
or maybe another
isn't
thing
that selfish
maybe another thing is that urin asinote nokogowa for children so I'm also
ndiyazvidiva already but that doesn't change the fact that I'm not okay still asvikona dzenda gowa ndote naini kogowa so ndivuri ngasiri kuti
atogowa
it's fine
gowa straight
let's go na ubuse
go
go dust everyone is happy from far nituzvanavo it's a mess ziyabuya ri
podcast ngibona
podcast is going smoothly I understand mara this is not the only thing you're doing in life podcast yanga buchilo wami
ndiye nokompusha ino
ti
ungori kogowa
ndikonibona kandire ini half 12 nisvika half past 11 uri yaili thanga haya ni alikokonolala abena ko yango toka 10 no weather nikubona ukorothola so
ndizaka 10 ari dochitira ndakoze ubona vanhu vaita posho vasatuvuwa
nindirori ndiri namachende omthanga userious ngamushumo wawe
ini somondorelani
mara ya atitodi vathu va one sided ndonokata off vamwe because of that so that's it zvimwe zvothe I feel like ndisvine ringa zvifixa
nowe narona Anton I'm gonna because of a guy
hoy
why
nene vangana vangari date vat vati type zashadziyelani would never
ntini mngano wano
ni
atotitsano zvisipfala Gautrain kele kopira
ndiye mngano no you can say it
no ntu ufinyi tewini mngano wano
no we just know each other rina zi mutual friends and radangana will talk but atina phone number dzawe
mutual ex
oh yeah mara guys azvina azvivaliwi mama muthu opfana na muthu ex yanu wa 5 years later ukadifindi ex yanu
if they even
oni azvidiva ndikubusemi
mira ya Ghana ishumi South Africa
no but I'm just saying that hezvila atingoenda pfunga ndi betrayal or anything because also vugare guys and we are not friends rune ndangari ndingadhoba phone ndari yo what's up mara ada zvino na mumwe muthu pano
friends though let's go any vele clock nachingavangana blind
because I'm like that with everyone I'm cool with everyone like that and then ndi muthu wa mngana wanga or I don't know so ndikuti umfarasa mngana ndikuti umfarasa
Though Tomelo statement is Tomo.
Hi, I reach.
I don't remember the interview. Yes, I was just joking.
I read the father no talk. Irmini went to catch up. Prep.
No, I can't prep. What else was there? Because check even kumbuza over uto.
No, I'm saying I don't know anymore. I don't know because the current dog mumvona. Value o'clock is no iche of for like 2 months, so I don't get to see what's going on. Umaro urosha zokuma.
Zakuma ekorotora abena ndo tamba skipo tongisera bathu.
Then you were able to turn. Mutumana machine zokuma because what the fuck are you doing outside in this cold?
Hi. And then Hako dirmin. Chimwe chinda nganulisa ndicho zvipe chinda nganulisa na mutu
financial. But kana shem we've never like nikuzuma ndina vangana vanji rune hot hate let's run around muti are is possible.
Na vangana vanja ukuma. Hey. Do you have friends kanto diva bathu?
I know a lot of people.
Okay, Keti nungano wano. Keti X.
Keti cha chigwena cha makeup.
Cha makeup
makeup artist.
Cha runga. Izo.
Hai, Keti warunga.
Okay, chambara zorungiwa nga ulu.
Oh, no, Keti is my baby. Uzo stratan uzo blog G.
What do you mean your baby?
Like undimtu kukaneti. So growing up, yeah, she's younger than me. So she's just plus she cute niyachibona. She's just my baby. No, but she's my over acha tendo and
acha guy.
Akajina tendo.
Tendo high.
Yes.
Acha tendo high.
Yes.
Oh.
Tubor oba mtu kuna sandomubona.
As a baby jamba.
I don't think no, she wasn't all over the place.
Yeah, that's why something.
She's a cute baby, man. She's and I'm phone and she wants something or she wants to ask about something, I'm gonna help her out. Man, gasim phone and Twitter. How are you? I wouldn't do that. I posted something that please send. But Ndingasiri. Oh, but no shumana. Yes, we got closer because we worked together. Nga
2019.
2020. It was during COVID. Ngachunga fair play.
I think that's 2019.
It was during COVID. So it was 2020.
Okay.
So I worked with them. That's when we became closer.
Okay, and then business supervisor.
Which one?
Vena mabindu. Hey, damn, no mafi. Para mabindu. Wafi wenye?
Ndirengisa manglass.
Uma kwa pini ngadzavo.
Ndirengisa manglass, guys.
Alabo papiriko.
Amwena karibindi now.
And wana imwe certain so dawa I post the latest.
Fire, honey, fire. It's selling like hotcakes.
How's it going though? Business your name?
It's going well. So far so good. Although maduba funny, but I think it's doing good.
Your business in different besides your mangret.
And digital marketing as well.
What do you do? Digital marketing.
I am a social media manager.
What wanna ka Africa mean? Instagram and I know it unto. Not digital creator. I don't even know what that is.
I'm a social media manager. Like the manager. Ndina page za business nenda the manager. Zina ndito vo every day ndichita zvezo. Yeah, and I'm in media as well. Media obidingana. I do anything that comes. I don't teach you gonna ngobona ndo actor. Asuri ndiya shukuru.
Next mbangu abeti.
I wanna ndinga actor ndiwo Suzanne ni wala Tony.
No quick I mean.
Nani facilitator court kana.
Yabo Suzanne.
Oh court yabo Suzanne. Tinguyibona bela episode.
Naro ibona ndi chimachira wanombango pezitezila. Sauku.
Ani songombora ndimshumo ngola muntu ela sini mshumo.
Ngolubeleza mshumo hapa.
Uri ba driver mbizi.
It's like ni actor za radio ni actor.
Just already I just find it weird. I
think since 2011 that thing has been ongoing. Chatumani la story.
Chami, unachito radio also.
Ndozitamta queen zino.
No, nditobandisa ipi. Ininya ifunga. Naiva.
No, maratizo no, zezo nia eniwo.
Hayo ni gayo ajo. Au no mtu
nditobandisa. Mura ndikireke na watu radio wako font message.
Ha nyindikireke.
Ha, haurambani. Nisho kono wapfa ko rabela, why not?
Tuzuri harambani.
Okay, it's fine. And then Ama Foundation. Let's talk about that. Hey, that's a good initiative.
This year.
Why?
I've been trying to get it uri ibe NPO so that I can get sponsors and stuff. Cause ndichiko thoma ndani kutoshimisa zwithu zwanga like.
Because no mean private company.
No, ndi NGO. But apparently ndito register yaba mean so that I can get funding and do what. So ila process ndichi phandu very complicated ndabantu ima mara zvino so once or twice a year. Not this year, last year, I did a metric dance for a school in Oliven, Oliven High, whatever. We gave like 20 girls dresses and shoes and whatever. No, but they keep her as their metric dance dress.
Oh.
So that's what we did. So it was getting a bit exhausting because with going there and ati. So I guess ndichiboyi switcher ndakonotomowana funding, and even if it's not a lot, I think it'll work. Although I do get a lot of support from the people I know, like the donation, like a lot of people donated last year.
Why are the people supporting you?
Why
are the people supporting you?
My friends.
That I may know.
My friends. With dresses, I got a dress from Masindi. I got a dress from people from my church. Like they brought so many things. Jambaro risa. We always take clothes there. Also, we have an orphanage. Girls Center, something in Glen Austin. We take clothes there as well. Riches one. So I right? Because I was trying to like build girl confidence and all that. I think so ndichitiyo amba nditiwa ndikwambira vazana ningadana mbera batukana ngaba uzuri mini mari
batukana man it depends batukana there. No, you can't just say because kandaita ndamba natukana motivate atukana vaita mini.
No, as mapungori naniti kusvika ndawana ambe vana vari ka orphanage home avakuita zvithu
zviti now it makes sense but when vakame ka orphanage but kana vari ka orphanage so now I know
navere chikoroni ndikusvika ndamba zvofana ngori avakuita
zvinoenda dhamba one size fits all motivation speech nyandoishumisa
mara ya chikoro nayo orphanage ndinti
na
ya chikoro ndikusvika narimi narikava jene chikoro
vapase vaite
vazvidivi uri vakuti
yopasa havana haya vachikoro vakubva vahayani so ndingatishumise
vakubva vahayani mara hayani hure hani you don't know that una mahayani apirwa vaorphanage home so that's why ndichikuuya ndinosedza vazana na self confidence uri it doesn't matter where you come from. I don't care uri nikobva ni hayani zvakumwe kana nikobva nichitanga nina I try and build their confidence.
What do you mean
no I'm saying uri atina ndavo nikobva kamention kana nikobva kachitanga na I'm build ndikuva kudza mapungo matini because una mwana ane ukobva kamention mara hana confidence nanti
ina chibva kamen
ne nenda chibva chitangana
naila confidence
I've always been confident mara yeah, I guess my grandmom did a good job. I never came from money, and I still don't come from money. Yeah, mostly because my mom bought shumagure. Yeah. Hey, that's it. No, but weekend. I'm just saying that during the week, so. But she was still my grandmom. Asimake aba typical bamingwenda balwane no asimthu mulwane asimke gulu makhulanga baba asimke gulu bolo like 3 years ago mara baba asimke gulu oh fuck it's 5 years ago now 2018 yeah
that's when you cricket
no ndolichanga covid usichayiwa
oh bolo before covid
yeah bolo nga 2018
it's wrong to say that mara it's nice nyana uri muthu angolwa covid right
nande ndifunga ndi queen zwa domba vamo
yeah uri covid
so botolala zvawe vadirovera but yeah I never came from money and I still don't come from money.
Now you do
where
ni bachirede
guy
apenda no da remember la shwinga rikuita ntro ndiko isa stunge antoni ndiko deliver and then
na thoma na piranga asho zvino asho una nichikoseza ni vonongona cherede
ndichirede ne fela
zvambura ni jicherede zvambura ndi makuani mze zvambura ndi sentene ari asho cherede
zvambura asho ndoro disa ezvambura zvino nakoleka nchidisa
I don't come from money. Ndidove ndiwana gechidyo. Ini asho ngohumbura aningobona.
Ngadorona mingo ithi.
Konani.
Konani awuna fence.
It's not a fence. Zvino muthu una fence mtangana muzvubva chate.
No, yazo midiyasenti na fence.
Ngori va estate ni rine ringo protect wakachitu mtarwa risina fence totally.
Block jina ndi ku estate mamuno.
Mara I don't come from money. Did you know preacher susi zone? TV cheredeni
and Uapfa is very much broke. Okay, not very much. She's just broke.
No, ndi broke totally.
Yeah, you need a man.
No, I don't need a man.
Autiani and Pala Wednesday.
No.
Una mumwe anodha kantu ka previous hapo finyi Charlene akambura ati nyange chede abana I also in that nyanga
So
yabana
mbanga ndikuitonda. Please, ndisongopangiwa. Yes, the independent mara still. Ariko daka idisiwe. Tingodubiyenda tikuitonda. I don't want to lie. I want it so much.
Okay. And then YouTube channel, what's happening? And you're very much scarce these days. Yeah, way too scarce.
I like consistency. I don't want to lie. Eh?
Now go.
No, it's not about going.
You like or you like?
I like.
Okay.
Yeah. Nimpushe, I don't know how. Like.
Next week kudara shooter.
Hauna stress. Hey. Ninkumbuze nangange uri ndiwe ndikuita something. Because funny enough, I do take a lot of content. Ngama lisa vlog because you know I'm always out. Ndahangwa nga 50 rand ndani right. Ndavati ndavloga ubva pa ndini
ndaita. Abantu ngandikonyiriza. Emuna alina chelede.
Atina na penny na totally like I don't have money. Ndavloga ndaguma ndaita na get ready with me. Uchibo difa ndahango ndiko vloga. Ndazombra ndichibo you're determined.
Kana phone na family.
You know when I'm ndibus go I've been ndiko vloga so I think I should just go back to story times.
Yeah, story times was called Lisa.
Mara zombela ngori bathu vachindela after that.
And vachinifonera.
You know and now afi ndakaidziwa blind. Ndachuwa na nena jina fridge.
No chuwa.
I was just ndandikotozvipfela butungu ndazingochuwa.
And then speaking of channel and YouTube, let's get to the Black Couch now. Tini nditanga ni mtu badi neivona. Kana nevandodhira tvanhu riyazidiva. Why you people there?
My people.
Okay,
Fistos Valley.
The one was
Fistos Valley, Gregory. Kabati vanono vashooters vone vatu vanganevo. Those are my people. Kabini shoot na gift naenda domubanga kama my people.
Gift uzgo shaba.
Those are my boys. So marando dzibona I told you I watched the Asati. I watched your Root Kid.
Nakunya minika Root Kid.
No, ndo ndikutopona ndakusapota ini
okay I don't see something divone Root Kid ka TV.
Naruti abatu mzimu I listen to his music. I don't ndihamba naye nohamba naye Root Kid.
Hanga aye muyani yadiwa. Shura madivi.
Diveze zono perform wa Fistos. Mara ndiyamutechelesa like ndihamba naye nohamba naye. I have him on WhatsApp. We're fine. Achidzurapa next door.
Apano kaino ni rashita sati yone.
Yeah.
Asiya sauro dada naye.
Zokuma. Ini mnachipire.
Ai. Iri kaino ngodzimbera zviti somewhere afuna. I thought rikwamba rikaba as we agreed.
Mara ndikwambori I'm very cool with him. Ndoibona yawe. I don't know, I just wanted to hear his story. I was just interested. Who else did I watch? Zingondo dzibona nawo ndisabati ndobona ya Mpo Pink. Ndobona ya Mpo Pink I think obongori. Wasn't she the first girl you interviewed or something? I don't know. But I was just interested.
Okay, girl, yes. Woman, no.
A girl. Ndandikunyanga bashwa yeah. And then I watched hers. Don't know bona. I'm sure niyabona comment zanga mna. Ndikazi yambeza tuzendo nizibona but yeah.
And then which one has been your favorite? Kana which one were your favorites?
And obviously ndikudonanga dzawatu vanga.
Okay, kai Fistos negrege na kudara ngai.
Zote.
There's always that one you enjoy. Nditocheka comment mauri nano comment akayenyi.
Kuenjoy zote.
Yana comment akaya jambo ndiani namfunesa.
Niyapenga. Azviyambi ezvo zvito zvino already ningaona uri imwe ndoibona kalaptop ndani nachipinga chokomenta imwe ndoibona ndika TV so zviva zvikure
nimbona naka TV
yes
yandhala ndiyobona
ndoita ndojena naini
singoyo nditova blind
mara ni blind no you're doing so well so ndonodzibona ndo ine I think ndandikotodoibona mulova ndato hangwa ndiya the last one ndiya Tendo
Tendos. Yeah, Tendo. Sounds so wrong.
Yeah, tituibona but I'm gonna watch it definitely.
And it's moving, eh?
Dziatakadza ngori tizvinona musi ndiko clean aka ndikuita zvimwe zvinhu ndiyava ndosikoifunga ndava ndikosvipa ndikuita yeah you know podcasts are nice because of that so yeah ndidoibona.
Which ones were your least favorite maybe?
I don't know. Dingasiri which one's my least favorite Mara. What I've encountered.
Just that not that so I don't want you to list them all in order. So that's
irani ndisongamburi ndipi enda ndisaifunika nami ngoti chadiva. Mara ndikodoni budza.
Niazifuna mara ine.
Tingwe enjoy yes.
Naifunira pasi. Naifunira pasi.
Ati divi mara ndikudodoni tarucheza ndizweni konjena ndikuhamba ndani kuita sori chita richishuta.
Ai, tina pariko shoota.
Icho ndita McG. Ndindele
What
batu
time
bapedza.
What time make you? What
Chemera batu nokangwa ndine nini. So I'm like
inongona ndikoni jeni futi.
Ndikoswala so ni andina. Ndikona cold drink.
Ni cold drink hiyo.
Why? On the juice.
Why mposherwa wine?
Mposherwa wine. Nganyi.
Ndibona. Udorogaza disa. Udorogaza disa kapuri ba approve yani.
Hanwi.
Dana kapu vaivonera niko no wine.
Nene hanwi. Unopedza.
Jai rese wine.
Nene hanwi.
Ana hanwi. All my friends don't drink, eh?
That's nice. Ndi gold ndi.
No, I was gonna say the gold, man.
That's
just
cute.
how I
She
choose
cute
friends.
mara ngofuna. Wondoro vifa chira chira.
Roko go Andre ni na ro arina chipinga cho umbula.
Sinonero go and then rangasko bulicha, but it's okay. What was I saying?
Your least favorite episode.
Atina least favorite episode, but zvito zvinendo nozvipika up zvine ndipongari it bores me ndikobona ndimusi vatu vakobutswa zvito and they don't want to be open.
Dinya was open.
A lot of people comes to just ningobut story coming in a mini like I feel like people really want to be loved.
Dude, you just did the same.
I can't.
Why? Never
I can't choose
they
one.
just can't.
Let's
Ambani then.
I feel like when people don't want to be too open, that's where the problem comes in.
I just want you to be open up.
Control and this is you can't do anything. If someone that doesn't want to speak, they don't want to speak.
Because I'm control or in Fistos na Greg.
Let me give you
episodes.
Kaya Fistos na Greg.
No fnapi young Amanda. Dude, they're your friends.
Let me say, you know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say a Greg and I'm gonna give you a reason.
No, tukunya reason is
Niko itoda. Nditanipa yone. Nditantata pana rangi.
Azodorera. Simani so
there to ndange badala. Ndikasi ndikomba na vaniko ngosiyana ndisana khona nidzanga. I'm gonna say a Greg because Greg wabalabala. Fistos doesn't talk much.
Fistos ohamba na yeye.
No. Fistos is more relaxed and the uambas of the Greg wabalabala. No move like phone uambesa. So that's what's up.
Okay.
Mbutsening ndinange kababili futhi. Ngopongara I'm not being open.
Ndinya was open.
Ka
interviews with Pirao when I'm born. A person whom you think they were holding back. Hey. Hi.
Tenori ngubuye next week. Aruziyambe futhi next week nditobona futhi. And then
vulani into apono.
Me.
Channel njene
ndichivonorora
ndichibona sindo inini asiko we asokomba chiti
akantusivo ndimshele imwe futhi abako byantusa
no wine ufi one glass enough
zvamboga izvozvo
kazvamakuwa mama nakawine nepalomwariwa
nonobala
guys ndikoziva mbogona kudrink rea chinya dzina langano vatu apo ukona kudrink
ndimshele kudrink futhi ndimshele koko uchapo ndiyatombatulita vatodzatsinda yo ari muvele pande itanga
no man
honestly I don't like ndaza tusedza ngeyo ndira ndaza tusedza uri hey nontiko enjoy sanga nthani uri mini or whatever but from now on ndikodocheka tindikodobona yatendos ndabona dzimwe zitu tuzibona
and then have you seen uri okay I'm not sure if ndicheka these stats zawo so okay I have to check out just the views or dzineza was educational people don't really like search and then hedzi dzineza vakotambiwa nini dzine the views are always up there.
It's always like that.
Why do you think so, Mar?
Because that's how society is.
Because the thing is, when I started this thing, I was trying to inspire about Baba Venda.
Hustling. Now hustler. I remember nichikotoma ngavatu konoita zvitu. You want to know how much do you make? Yeda.
Inini chabgaenda ngonya go budziso yombudziso.
Uruvamborishana na pain ninga dona mbuso ndita bgai.
Yeah, then you can still send it at 50 rand.
50 rand thank.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so I was to say, Uri, I started this thing to inspire Uri. Okay, like ungadwent majina chikoro kando jena ndali chapkati ndajena visite for some reasons and then utasa so chachimbira. But then what 45 na go inokobvuma na back here tumango ngo sweep.
They want to see what's going on.
That's what they want to see. Yeah, Tendos also. It's like less than a week now to go shoot, but then views is probably over 2,000 now. So hey.
But what does it give the people what they want?
And then guys, there's that episode. Never been episode of guy. Is it 5? Nditambe. Eh, afara tambe. Irani yambe naye. Yetambeo.
Ntambewe. Huko shoot yo khona nsongamba zimwe zwithu mngana thi ngumva. nika loudspeaker ati
Wamba mini
ndinatanga
Wamba mini kani usa kushutiwa.
ndi mngano wangu uyu unyongorerwisa
Zone dzimeli bestie.
Ntambe oyu ntanga ukuhanedzori nne ndo vandi intercessor CWC kumbreni muvudzi. Thank you. I know that's right.
Etamio. Hemuna. Docho furiwa. Hema rasa jendo taka la class ya Anthony. Ya is ya ndi Western holo. Zino Uapfa chirabera watu wapi.
Uapfa vachita vachisara chimwe vachita vachisara vachikuita.
Urabera rinorotuwa.
Nditsiriza na mrena.
Hemuna zo tabelo zo dzumbiwa.
Yi.
Ina ngarabirwa nga Uapfa na.
Sakumana le boga tabela wafeka zinyise fitu mamula.
Ni unena vaone nga tabelo dzanga ndonitika ubva murawange.
Tabelo dzinoguma nga ceiling.
Dropani ngovala dropani ntambeni ya papa.
Yeah, isi.
Nditanifonera unotuwo yi.
Atituwina muzi. Atituwina muzi. Anariko demi, raka dema mi. Eshitambe nayo. Nani kadibuzori mtu. Like kuna ntu zine episodes there should come wakane something nichapata. And then also my biggest supporter dimianga baba kobono ela ntu mara aiko chimbira why. Una ila ya I think it's episode 5 ya Raswiswi. Ulufuna Raswiswi wala wita detergents and all that. Like ela ntu wala mzana. Ngozibona. Uyatona ini unyange zazigolo yi.
It's what I love.
So people are
even when I read
episode
books
5 yeah thanks
even when I read books I don't read educational books and atingodo pretend atingochigoni zvipera cuz
mutukapfa as educational book
ndimi
mutukapfa
ndingairenga book ine ndingavala chivenda 300 pages
anongochivala acha umlauzi chamia sende
ndizvone zvila marasa pali book yote
achivala class
no mara ndobula butuku
okay
and ndi must zvina maraga ndikwamba zvamsi ngo
borrow episode less like 40-50 minutes
enough use ngani Jin.
Over 4. Just over 4.
It's not bad. Considering the fact that it's one of the few first episodes. Because usually episodes of Toma, they don't do pretty well because the men don't notice you.
Because of Fistos is over 1K now.
Yeah. The Fistos. Everybody wants to hear what Fistos has to say. Because Ujena stage in Arizatuwa. People want to know how he speaks and all that. So it's fascinating.
No, people want to know Wambisa.
I told that Sibe. Dina sunlight liquid. So it's.
And why it okay,
eat
sunlight liquid. Don't throw it as a liquid.
Why it liquid?
Why it liquid so no, and like guys, just go and watch that thing, and then you will give me the review cards, comment. You will see. All I'm to story is top notch.
And it's blind bad because I now that you're saying it, I feel like it's very inspiring. Maranane obviously ndo ibona ndapfuka. Stopfara ngora unori ndipende songoibona ninji dropa. But it's because of what we love. But wafuna susafan ione 400k ire interested. Mara 3k iko todobora gole iko pina na mukuono amba Venda.
Exactly. I feel like was that
we
also.
Want
Because in their posters the trailers are on TikTok. People are like, hey, you know Venda must go. Oh,
yeah, it gets nanzi naye watu vakadikana uko.
Yeah, kumbira quotation, watu vakumbira quotation kaya TikTok. No, you shoot as the great. And then okay, but other funga ndiko varingisa. Una mungu.
Aringambidzina
dude, you're like mtu kwamba nne. It's the same way vafunzi vachikofunza kekina vafunzi mlandu zvino.
Mboko rukurwera.
Nendiko jena guy. Na vaso wani magazine. So you see now unaile ndaitana advocate lirato mwe ningazi ngoyibona naye educational ati like that guy akamba zithu and then ndiko to reference lazo
lirato ndi umwe mtu kana
yeah
no ntino mudiri that guy and not lirato
yeah so apala nbet this other guy or girl texted me ori hey lirato like at this all what was kumbrisa nuri number phone za lirato ningaziva ka thumbnail guys those are my numbers like
no there was a doctor
no
yeah lirato
no ona lirato was like I advocate I was like okay why do you advocate so then jena university so educate law and I really wish for you to be my mentor. And then she found the other message lirato asapindura and then asipindure
ngengora napindura
and I wish no kubara ni Richie poster izo says lirato send a sticker just say mara I advocate ashpinduri so then it goes kind of so guys also it's number phone 083 ndinomboro dzanga asi dza vhathu vane vavo voda. There's no way uringa the guest da 15 dzana mafoni zofana. Like there's just no way.
Vhathu vachichupa ignorant nanesikodzi comment ndiyadzibona mleka pati uitiani na vana vacho.
Yeah.
They're very ignorant shem.
And then how's the quality? Quality ungeibona.
I love the quality.
I mean,
Although I felt like hela yanda ya papi obona something ngamra atidiva una reflection yana so. Yeah, spotless. But every other quality was good.
kai papi ana chimwe chidu mianga vari choburaira vatu vasportless
Iwa vatu spotless.
avetidivi vari chitova chidu choburaira so
Vinzongokoira.
I mean, hey.
Mara yeah hauna imwe reflection aphala yabe kokakisa. Ndopfunga ri kamzindi zvithu zvirenda. There's a lot going on phala ngomu spotless. Ndopfunga ri kamzindi something yani phala ngomu.
Yeah,
But the quality all in all is good.
Mara. Yeah, it's fine. And then for me timinchu chinoto wachisora audio noibona yani ni fire find
Oh, nende to fay better ngori nende recorded sina no mic.
Yeah.
Can need you top notch here we
Yeah, so we're moving.
Ndo ve phone wange ndikuamba but mende ko generate.
Wanyanza uzura so.
Ndikubona ndobona kama budzuri bakura zva serious. Vatu vanyo mabudzi asoba.
Vaya kwa saluni.
Ushumiwa. We want legends baba wade wakushuma.
Zawukuma. Like what else do you check? Prepare ninga in phone.
You done?
Ini vanga no interview wangane.
Mara ndi inono aningobudza zvothe zvona anozvingona ka prep. Ini laptop noifarira mina ransina prep.
Iwane prep mari ndichijamba.
Ndikoteredza ufoneliwa apa ndafara phone. Ndingozwa ndonomisa dzimiss call njinji.
Muna zvaiteya. What else? Ngototi mari prepare kutomo khela.
Okay, no ambanga Venda clubs.
Ndanti ayimanga rido hey ko do petsira ngaye. Ndiko via ka Black Couch maybe could be the second last or something. Have you seen or okay, not you haven't seen it obviously. One about to go on the net. And then the last one come and chiri kind of an ufinyabe.
Wamzana. Wara kumamba namze. Koni.
Ai ufinyi.
Caramelo.
Hey, caramelo.
Ufikoni.
Oh, yeah, okay. Ai koni. So this is like last one mtu unathi vane baba izwana. Now I start zunda wabusamini. Anathi vane a lot of questions ngawo. And then uriniba one I don't know already how many near there. But also when I podcast you get ko langi of the.
Vana ninji va interviewer.
No, I won't hana just that.
Vachi vana no bvela na phone wes.
No, they don't even see us in our face like
just how nichi kadiro uba phone kana ku send a message or whatever.
No, because in a message we communicate okay, it's fine. And then okay, the shoot in. Let all shoot they're like ish ngana ndi busy shima ifila mngana zvino inzi mtu ari kunyangwa nerata
uba kunyangwa bva first
imngana
urusongo baba
I'm like hey okay. And then funny enough vatu mo text story ila shoot ringaita lini into food yesi ono bifa
ndiwo nyane
lesha jeri laptop ifela mlilo
ni chinoseja on nayo.
And then yesi vatu ninyo ndibonyi no like
give me like 2.
This other one I won't even hesitate to talk about him Shay.
Ndi.
Cause nitakindo. Nyazoita mimi nikatakindo.
Oh really?
Cause the guy Ramba attend. It's fine, okay. I'm like, yeah, because they're a shooter. Then it's Centurion. We drove to Centurion. Chisika are there's an emergency. Okay, fine. And then Tonga has it found pay. And I wish no bore mini. Mutu konuzori is way too rough uneanga shooter. And then anamubona akushuta
ingwe podcast.
Ungepetu ulwane. Not the National podcast, but apetu ulwane. So like, oh, okay, jamori.
Wakono yangi ukurombo vyo ni vatkana ukuzaude.
And then angori you can see how the podcast is actually growing like gradually nyenga stunga stuke ziko 10. So watu watu mufuna or hey.
Ori phone ataki.
Ataka tu phone mara wana diba woni vanji wono phone. Asungu phone. Fari.
Ni do fara. Au ngari au kwati iwe hapa rizokotenda.
Do fara man.
But business is like that.
Nangu mbuzo ntinda wedo mbuzo ndi fara kole yao.
Nyombuzo sami.
Ndoni one dwalo wani kamusi.
Okay.
Nimrengere mic wa brarop.
Kumrengera mic ine. Wanotendo ruiwa uziza ruiwi. Nini yangu amadikwera so.
Okay. Yeah, so hey, emna watu vakonda.
And I wanna Mungwendi.
Na bangendi bathi baba Venda kunjawo wera roba plan. Venda rata rush episode nosika uma 10 probably.
Ndinyi nanyi bangu bani ngokuno bashuta.
Some gave valid reasons which I did understand.
Atiko butsa nga reason kudna madzina abathu. Tinandava na reason dzabe wena.
Cause it is no. Okay, so where to shoot Bamba? Like I feel like story tower is inspired and I'm Dave. Yeah, like story I feel like she's inspiring on the rap game.
The rap, oh yeah.
Yeah, like utukone lena we fara na mina.
Bamelo la ndi bomba edo mdadza.
Ni bomula.
Oh.
Oyendo abamba edo mdadza.
Okay.
And then like all story shawundo chifesesa cause I'm okay. Since you guys are living, the shooter comes in Nigeria and get Pitor because they're around there. I say Morini, I mean, I can 1 year. And then who else? Naracha, I think.
Naracha wines one.
No more. Never put with me. What then?
Auto suba after.
Vasuba Madwaji was in there. Vasuba.
It was gonna be a very good interview. I feel like Racha is very funny. He looks funny.
Yeah, they were funny. Maramutasa funny. Hey.
I bet when you're phone you know that not everyone is comfortable with the camera.
Told me already. Hey, dude.
Angasihambe awuna munhu anawuza munhu ndikoshona.
Oh, but vanhu vone dumbuzi. Hey, neza interviews ngasithi ufana Razike, Razike or rotofona Ramba. Like, hey, that's into.
No bezana mushuta.
Razike. I'm more of the interview like how could it because obviously probably there's something you need to go to mwana mo if I'm interview do kunyengo diva ngacho. The same way nenda biza ofinyu. It's fine.
Nabizang.
Okay, for example, that is BCD was in. Everyone is gonna wanna tune in to know what I mean. That's the thing. So work it as well. So mwending nikadeba ne. Obaranya na batu be on. Oh, NFI utonga wanantu. Oyuri ndi kandi mkona.
Hanami.
That's fine.
Amban.
In Rwanda they are pegando. Ore do shooter pano.
Pano guy, hashu.
No.
Okay.
Pano.
Nisumamri pano no for a couch here now, but the phone shoot up.
Go couch ko Chinatown. Ore pano.
It doesn't matter, honey. Midrende udibelwa camp chair. You know, urendi na couch is serious.
Yeah, it's a lot. It means a lot.
It means a lot to me, eh?
And then I mean, ore do shooter na okay. Abakotomo ziko konda nyano reshoot. Ndichitori ndi Venda. I was like, yo, ndikobuya rashuta. Ndana shuta hasho.
And it would be interesting.
Wambana mina ndamukana.
Nandamu.
Yeah, it would be interesting.
Futhi no chiwana chika NFI mode. Ningadiphinesa.
Chikorubanga from bath.
Yeah, everything because I feel like it would get a lot of views. People love Ndamu. Arikuhana ngabe dinner jitani mara people really love Ndamu.
Yeah, I feel like he's a good guy.
Nane chimwa msindiko plan a podcast. He was one of the top people on my list. Bondamu walishi. I remember I think I want to talk to you. Ali tendi no utombudza straight or honey if ndina message yone utobadiriwa and
na ngumzo badiriwa because no mbuzo
that's what we afford.
Don't connect naye nampana ba phone ndamba naye aba interested bad
uba interested usikela uchida cherede
nichere rdo shitarini then akana ngozo cherede sambo zo chita broke ichi ntsonga ndamba na chenga cherede ine dormi
shino nombudze mzo cherede yako
dimbo zo na cherede ukunibona Natasha
Andibi.
Oh, okay, it's fine. So when status I did until I heard this and to the shoot cause no actually ngao gasir ko shoota okay rono to shoota but then there's like few episodes of Sarah already shooted what was done cause I just wanted to be like
something. Uapfa kajula ngwendi wa munna yeah but it's cool yeah you were saying
natinza divani ko dida
ndimjita ndobero kama jita
out sharp me
anenteningi mina
and the remember resonate and iniza hukumu
and it does and I love it very much and
it's
one of my favorite songs. It was my late friend's favorite song so I love it so much.
RIP man. How was that thing to you man?
Hey, it was crazy. It hit me hard. Like it hit me so
actually,
hard.
I was like, you know what? Let's just leave this. Now that you say it.
No. It hit me so hard. Like Marayo, it hit me. Especially because I didn't get to talk to him a few days before it happened. So, yeah. Dando na miss call za ndiche ndo vandu stalker. Ndiko pusha charade. Ndichi uenda wenda chamuana matina he was going into surgery or whatever. I don't know. And then it happened like a few days after. So it really hit me hard. But no, it's not right. Queen, we're fine.
And then returned. None other guy.
So,
was it?
We grew up together.
Oh, yeah, because
so,
the Block G.
And over Lutere. Rogena roto Lutere, the Sunday school za Lutere. Murawangi.
Actually, open lot.
Because
this huge guy until I think right the Benerote.
Nga trip. If you na bachire de ngozwa na trip ni that na trip na ntino benda ro pasa.
The Benepa.
Oh, marotindo you be trip ya skoro.
Yeah.
The queen and when badere.
So the moment she last shambo fi is no more like, hey guy, that guy.
Na chimuoba.
No, until then.
Oh,
nice
when you
guy.
got to talk to him.
That's a more for me. Like he's
Nyachiyopa
huge.
utobona eni yeah, because he was yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you don't have a Greg ngwabona. Afana Greg na must go Greg.
Mani ngamupa.
Teacher mo fa zwino. Muna ndi bathu vena rona wena ni bawopi manje. Mphani mopi already.
Wangamurwesa nje. Murwesa zvimwe.
Okay, and then another academy like yeah, ndichitofelas ndendavhura album because ndinaika zvinepe zvarafoda zvinitebe. Oh, this guy.
Nozgorwa zvibootleg yenike.
Nanambara zviskinjinimwe cha dangerous.
Na location culture.
Na Jesse Chiefs.
Tena Chiefs rikadimula. Sina cover za Chiefs ni chikoroni.
Ndachiita za Brown. That's namapono band. Okay. And then what else? Hosara mini hapo kanti. Oh, Arjun kadzi club za Venda. Ziko tomohura man.
Okay, Tipiyo na Tipiyo. Nichiri dziko tomohura.
Yena shimaka yetoma.
Fair play. Yeah. Although Fair play iba yovala zvino I think it opens in December.
Usazonori what actually happens there. Utonga Fair play ya Duma yawa cause vatu vachidama. Remember nimsuchida no not to Dar es Salaam. I think people just comparing it to nothing or what happened to Fair play cause Duma and then you know yowa vaimbi vote vodangantu kamwezi mti vapere cause that guy used to bring like
artists the weekend
14 artists nga weekend like just
nah they were doing really well. I think also
let's start there. Who's they?
Fair play. Chimona the company nine Black Couch Diaries is doing
no,
very
well.
It's
there. Maybe there's like two directors. Then when you say
the buri u director mini pala mara yeah nende dibanechi mara I don't think angai manga yethe, you know, it's a very big thing. Fair play is huge. There's Benjin in there. I think it's a tavern. It's bigger than what people see. So tidiburu ojisa ni decision yore atome uvuranga December page. Maybe ningo ruba siyo. You know it's not easy to run something when you're not around because he stays this side. So atutumubudisa rizina atompa yone mara nendo dombrera jejo. Azungurata urana shtunisiyo. So
nani hostess yangeji?
I was in a hostess. Ndandi na company ya hostess. Ndandi na hostess ngapasi yanga.
Kiti wapasi yano?
Yes.
Zita mino hostess?
Ndombera eni uranto dise batu.
Hostess zita mino club?
Isa mabondero so. Nichirenga zi. Niyazu tfese. I was called drinking. Nimsi norenga was the ace of spade. Was the what?
It's fine, man.
Yeah, jojila. And then also, because they look pretty, that's why Uchito said it was never. Because you look pretty and whatever. Yeah, it was my agency. Yeah. So because of how you look, jambo ribadoni itamini. Nibani ko encourage na batuka na bonunga be uri ni rengese. That's what they do. You wouldn't get it. Don't even say anything and dibishtuka right.
Amani ngonikera zvino.
Roteria nikera ndiriko renga mara na title ku visa. Ajembeso. Songambezo.
It's fine, continue.
Hey, sharp. So that's what they do. Vanakisa vaitori urenga haro zvive fancy like vaitori vani totoedza uri buy how many bottles. That's why shidanga makandera uri nivono rela tafura oya mabodera 20 so I should do 23. That's how it works. One as the waiter needs the hostess. And also during the week what you have to market the show, so you also have to be very well known ndio following your right so that you can bring people to the club because arena badisa tafura yano tipundian you make money as well, you make more money but also baba chibaderiwa per night,
okay,
irrespective.
And then is it true that why abachichimiswa sort of like wakupimpiwa
because you know the pimpa ni no
okay sorry nani go mic Jaita ziklabuni za fando no so come you and then I was like the moment you should feel Venda kutumana ziklab I was like oh damn uko tumeshimswa bazana ba Venda zwino upimpiwa out.
That's what a lot of people used to
think.
And
now those things was really Jean because you are the manager of those people. Somebody didn't go pimp.
So I used to make sure, right? Because fair play actually supply anga guru ini ado dayarija. Usually babachi vare blog jiba do debajiwa ashu and then we go ndacho to wanabo baza do shumandisiyo. We go together. Rapira jiba univene. And singing in passion na kwamba rajiwa univene rajiwa guy wherever they stay hayashumiwa and then obviously the ndozi ratafura and making sure their bags are fine and whatever hashumiwa uchivala the same car is going to go drop them off at home ini munde araina fori haine nadan kanne na natkotua that's not my business because jombo no dana nkumnuri ndi bathu balwana be ubu bathu bonolingana ne banene ndakuba manager so I can't say no you're not a child so aningo pimpi wono to dipimpa auna hostess zono pimpiyo
mara nifonga apfe wapimpwa bathu okay
it would come back to me
exactly
that's
so
true
about to come to that
hence ndoba ndichitodori zvisongoitia ndisiyo like namsi ndikufanisa kunyaka groove I always have to be there nditoba ndione ngori ndikunyanga bona uri bathu boyaya namsi nikuri ndikutua nanye at least ndina idea yori otuwana mtu wa so yeah but usuri
urotowana mporali
arisomushimisa mpo
why
titodelo dzina lichisikoshimiswa lunji so rachita richi
yokuri when protect ang episode yotoma yes
umbodala zva asingari kamusi so zviva zvisiyo zvandani zvacho honestly mudzana muona mumwe arivona mutana kumutama kana umuthu wawe angadida jonga boyfriend yawo and anything happens vonotuwa zvone zvidobuya kanne uri wo muthu unodana mujiya yani but ngondiyori zviva zviyo kanne riva lwani.
Okay. Yeah. And then Dar es Salaam, I've never been to all these clubs that Venda besides the figure news cafe and the club and restaurant.
Club restaurant, yeah, just fun.
Yeah.
Almost the same.
Dar es Salaam one. Hey,
amazing.
Which one is the best between the two?
Dar es Salaam na mini?
Na fair play.
As funny.
What's the
Dar es Salaam the restaurant club.
Magura.
Yes. Dar es Salaam nyaya ubvanga 3 na dzura na tonga 3 yanga madaucha because you can have lunch and chill and do whatever. Also it's very spacious. Helani is a yowe club. Fair play in the club.
So Dar es Salaam is those news cafe vibes.
Yes. Ningana itana party ningara nya ita party you can do whatever. So fair play was like a club where the lights are there. Nduri ubo ustoba hobiringa ro club. You yeah.
Dar es Salaam angoni shora gift.
Uitan.
Or ni pimpe bang food.
Achena the hostess at chat.
What happened?
I'm not around. Ndidwaisa ngachwinga.
You can always get another assistant manager there to help you.
Izvotinga alia rokoti yohora ine ahora the hostess na ndinda ahora. What am I going to eat?
Some more price it gonya and in a charge club.
I don't think people have that money.
Okay. And then do you think News Cafe already is better off as a restaurant kind of club based current location near Uapfa Tavern? Because hey, it's funny. Rakushita mizo. Na iwe rakatavani arungo chakona mshuta. Firdo mshuta album means inobvaka na EP ya wani.
Oh, ukuvisa EP.
And then richiko rikushita News Cafe. Kola mtoto muri. Vanhu vari kuchita News Cafe ina. Hanya kujare club.
Uruida mulanga upiyo na mzimu. Mulanga wako serious.
Why News Cafe?
Mara hako yonwa msukuro jena shuta. Ende nasi kuchuta kama siari? Zvino ngamasiari yabe uva usina chitu chinokuita it's just people eating and stuff.
Agotoda as well. Uchawa zvizaitwa tsiko. Tsiko ore achirobhara nopaka gore to tavern. Mbara dzikorenga beer.
Wabhara nopaka gore tavern.
Uri bra the
first time. Ngoro dofirona.
Chidachoka ngachigwena.
Ezvo zviyapfara vo maranyana.
Zvinomuzano the full News Cafe.
Umufunzi nene.
You don't know his position.
Uskodiremisa to uite mingiriki ndimfunzi.
I don't
Profita.
know.
What are you?
Okay, hapa Hillsong utaza uwasaiva naye. Kongaini.
As what?
Utaza the sound. Zvina kuita po.
Oh.
They must test it with this tongue.
Okay.
And on podcast nyanga mjia Venda to call. And then nange the living in it I mean.
The living ayani. Oh, okay.
Yo Karibe.
The living ndio Karibe.
You know where Karibe.
Oh, ndiye yabo ragimana si? Ndio ne. Oh, tidibe mfunzi musha ya.
Yeah. So hey, tarka damazula, do you think it's better off ngaila location ya ipalani sa club kana sa restaurant? I think it would be good at just a restaurant nje.
You think so? Mara News Cafe dzidzura petwa nepala. What? Ito yotodzura nepala. Aidzuri.
Ufuna yange urina nandosi.
Urina no nyaidiba pano.
Didwe Rosebank epano ndiaga.
I guy.
Ipetwa. Rosebank make sense mama. Rosebank ndi Joburg apano. Hangi una space chote chine vanga chiwana.
Mara difference do amina rawe vyatsina nandosi.
Ngato berno ya Burger King.
No, so tedze yo kha News Cafe kabihwe. So it's all blame News Cafe. You guys are the problem. Because I feel like you're petwa right considering the fact that ndiyona yopetsera uyirangi. So I owner ubabala heya gumone. Uyina naranga zvibega zvabeiwe nge nat's called drink bottomless. Uyangi habona rine. ubvela nanga gete langa nnḓa, so I don't see where the problem is. Imagumoni still.
Okay, and then inoipfa anthu nozipfa dzi rumors dza vhathu dzifhio dza dzi waiter dza hone
Uri dzoitani?
dzi waitress dza dzi uri vha khou demand dzi tip ndozona siko trenda kha Facebook
Ava kupuwa dzi tipu dzavo?
vha khou dzi demand kha vhathu vha khou ḽa.
Do you think like if that's a visa tip?
Do you think that thing is a must when you visa tip in a restaurant?
As a must. I don't think they must.
Then
It comes from sympathy. It onga 2 ya KFC.
Ndibvisela.
Nikuzvibona.
No, yes. Hey, randipedzisi vhathu vadzonjisa kungeyo. Unangofumakadzi yange Bram. Like mase ndichicheka slip iwe sikujja 2 ndisongori vaji vasongekuhumbela. Ndimbodzenda rikavaivuyise ende vaivuyisa shame. Mangavona kumbisira ma 14 rand. So like last we bore like now vana vangikhumbela ndari avaijie okay vana kuroshona uri hai
ndiri hai tishoni
then ndashona ndikona yini yato fika weijela mina songombudzisa
zvatipu ndipfunga ri like muthu uri yotobvisa nga mbilu yawe. Do you understand? Although apparently ufuna mulayo wori 10% of your bill
ndia Dar es Salaam hey
no as Dar es Salaam pedzi nangeno una dzi restaurant dzine auna vushavelo. I think na Saint vaso the one in Sandton
nange ya uneto
restaurant dza vukuma
angeri la magulu riko shoota festus apo fimini
West
House 22
no House 22
now ndi must 10%
nikuzvibona. So ari news cafe yone ine yasatodana mulayo of which I don't think vanga wina ngori ndi Venda cause una vhathu vane sarine vavazana ari una wine ya 150 ndibva ndina budget yori ndi wine ya 150 ne favorite meal yanga ya news cafe ndi spicy chicken liver stonga zviita 8 rand lazvo ni wine ndotobva ndofara 250 na wana uko jiwa 10% ndo plan or 30 rand ndi ya bolts ni open the gate askis 30 rand ndi ya bolts zvino ngokona mpfesesa
ne bolts Venda dziyadhura futhi
hapa labeni yaengedziwa futhi
uvalwa na migayo
uvalwa lori no wala mini you understand what I'm saying? So yeah una zvononga zvezvo although it would be a good thing arali vaeda uri navo ne vale something avala vathu cause yone vathu va spenda badi vabula so ni vona ngari zviva zvavudi muthu akobhadhira bill ya 10,000 asinisiyana tipo
so nikotoisa 1,000 ngamwe mulayo
not exactly one kana ku 300 ku 400 atikotori
that would make sense lela za 10% ezvazodalelesa
mara also here's the thing namsiyapfi ka 10,000 enila niyaona rasiya muthu muthiela 10,000 iko divide watu pa 5 hasive nonotenda ubvisa yonopira ila chedu yo divide tipo idobagai
they my mouth ndolwa never
chedu iko konda auna mtando ni mzimura mukubona dust and people think other people have money. Nobody has money.
Hey, okay. Last thing on the prep. I recommend.
Hey, vatu wa mzimu ndombudza umwana uri ndikushuta.
Ngwana pi?
Mratu anga ukudavi.
Na mratu?
Vatu riri mushumoni. Ndiya zviva ndidosenda kudu. Umtu wadina vatu wa mzimu wanga.
Unadipa mshumo? Unadipa mshumo zino?
Wami?
Panji ni mshumoni?
Ndi mshumoni ndikushuta.
Abe ni freelance ngwe chiri na kamera nifanga notoriwa.
Ndizondotoriwa na last week ndandikoshuta.
Rikotoni wanina maiki wose mtu waseni ero bakukhakiza nabe nditonga mpengo ndikoseya nditedzange cause uwako ndiyamufani kuedita right umngano uyu awakoseya
ula mwana chijena ngafa udro mukata
dini uko ketro mini
bijalo libegeli ururungo yo
uko dala
uko pira wa Cape Town
what was the reaction nichibona ntinaini
chibona mini
zvazonzo na sandwich
atingozvije serious ngora ndivane tinguvuwa ndokutobona video ndotobona screenshot atingobona zve like uri ndosikobona ndobona kungu video akho chimbira kudzisa zviliwa ati ndiyo nepedzi ene leyo tenda
ndiye afi thank you baby nyababona te
mara netingochirenge chila story. I don't think it's, do you think it's true? Do you think they're dating?
As for dating, I don't know, mara
shagging beno rinyano babona ne
babona but that's faces
okay
ngasto
sare kutoyimza maipha mo shagging
gradual nawa yona watu anje vanobona valwani but then either way
mukumfa muthu wenda mbudzo uri kushuta kotodha akotokokobisana zvimirenje asikuvyaita kusori iro karasa
no it's fine utojena rambona and then
endokia damn it
inokirera kana
uyene
ayokirera akonobva ka camera watu vave kumdiva kwani kwano yokirura ne koyi
kaye
ladies and gentlemen, the producer.
Relaxani rozvono ralikovula. Rikoshuma mamuna. Aringa dova rikopanga.
The episode is sort of as dovuya. This is the mirayo.
Auna milayo.
Otobara mukadzi.
Achipezokiura alivhurere mpare. That's right.
Livhurwa ngantu. Ngaziteki. Ajele.
The woman go jemwe bag. Ngozo ndi bathu vane vanga zvino abathu. Hai uchikuru unokumira chikuru.
Oh.
Yeah, rari kadiri mini.
And then why not correcting a sinitent? None could maybe it could be shaking. I was like, probably. But then, hey, no inside. What the gens too, eh?
What they do, whatever Labatun did the influencer on Namsi of people we have what they club uninje. They could easily take that video because what they are one of Dodo Matonia, do you understand? So I don't think it's true. Deep down, I feel like Zonzo really loves Alicia and they at courage of totally. I really feel like those two love each other so much. Omfuna guys. And this man has love videos that got trend abakwamba kanzi phone wakho So I really feel like bafunana rune
no problem
uzozopela totally.
Na azongasipela udoumela zonzo.
Ti?
Hey, maybe udoumela.
Muna muthu wawe guys.
Wami ndinyi.
Wanga ndi munna wanga.
Wazvino. Yeah, that's good. Nani ndamuthu wanga.
Love of my life.
Limi. Ndina love of feel. LOML. Ndinaye.
Wamuriya mudiba tu post was a missing person every day rizwa post wakacho mudiba. Aito post ngokhela.
Emngana ola muthu wawo akakudzumbiwa asi
aringoro dzumbo record budzero upost every day ngokhela. Yeah, una vatu vasakono chimbira.
Andoramo.
Angasikono chimbira kuto enya nori asimkhakisa mic.
Watakalesa ati. Ukotoa lineni. Oh, begeze dzana mzazo mzana msipedzi.
Ukopira ukwa Cape Town chikoloni. Flight on ya machero. Anjiboni uri chinga genius.
Genius lingai. That's why ni so ini. Because I was trying when genius litisahani.
And nothing genius manje inside that.
Manda ngore ni genius.
Nandi dodo mara totally. That's to worry.
And then into rikomangala zazonzo. Do you feel like udohumera because financially hey, today.
Mara now it's not a financial thing anymore. Tu pina ye uright.
Zonzo. In terms of what? Uright what was one guy?
How is he surviving now? Uzura guys aras natured.
Hatini adina. Hayani ana bayani ndakwateli wande chakwa chirede. Mande vandosara naenda ndoita.
Nina kuita niko doba. Arongo nikata. Nina kosko ita ma slippers nsapfuki fast na zvibai. Avanga nikati.
Yeah, that kambori nt. Like near the 7 night sara nguchiri dinyana kwena nina kono farera kako. So maybe ukazitsabe ngako. Kuchipero do umera.
Kupiyo. Nichibodwa mbanga khamsa chitima allowance. Nikombori mini chiro che yabo farera kai.
Awasina.
I really feel like he is fine. Ati dibi fine lo hani ti. Mara chiboni akotambula guys. Ati kobono ngokutambula. Ningasita kuwera ngotambula. You can't. Nikondera chimwe na chimwe if you depend on that person financially.
And I funeral a couple.
Hey, iba right baba bili abalo bathu
kosikubiyelelana.
I feel like they're okay.
Tanga inina magana. Hey, now I'd rather be stingy than to depend on country.
Come on mutu ti?
Kamsadzi. Hey.
Kamsadzi zviwes.
Zakuma. Hey, lantu.
Now depend on munhu na zviyabhora. Because ndiyafuna like I told you ndiyafuna so diambela zveni mbudze ningamusema muthu ngasi 27 uri kunibhadalira rent ngasi 30. Zvomunhu ndiyokonderera.
Namusema ngazi 2.
Musema ngazi 2 akwata mwedzi. We next month about. So I don't think I can.
Yeah, so
angado that on top up. So ndizonto vantu toimangaye.
Nah man, he's gonna pull through. So zoba sharp kabalat. Ndiyafuna ngaman.
Maduviyelelana.
Okay, hey, hadinkaira kwami. Rono dash ngafana. I'm
sure it was a long episode.
1.5. Hey,
damn. Nikati apelo rina chigwena.
Idobi yakati. Mutu. Utoronga vapengo riko siya zvisiyo. Rana zvandi umfini, please cut this part. I'm like, okay, ndaikatra. Watadorina niko siya mini hapa.
Ndemara. Yeah. Doesn't make sense.
Kupa jena Cape Town. Ujena guy Cape Town.
Muranga njena guy? Chikoro hidi.
Uru guy?
Chijena UWC.
Urivala Cape Town. Okay. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Don't mean very much.
No, mini. Niko murmingi nei, niko mini.
Niko ku bezzi.
mari veni ngatemba coke inobva frijini yanga
Okay, it's fine. Then ndaibva taste yako kunyaidiva.
ari kushuma nga taste.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining in. Rene
Very
potonga nirtode nirivudze rekare nyange imwe cost rini disere yone. So if for now dari kushumisa hainei.
Hukudhunangiwa mumwe ngandenbe.
Ara vatu vasakonifuna.
Eh.
Ene mtu kuti decide ko ngoti tomurenga.
Ndotomba coke kudza mini.
Nomuzori nenga murwa ningachitirera kulenge. So nopanga
Umurwa ndikadhuvana murwa still.
It's fine. Okay, so don't forget to nifinyika Instagram watu wako ni Tony Tavera zvi.
Miss Coffee ni ngwale cause vatu vanga vadi ngwala sa coffee ya yonwa.
And then Miss Coffee and then
KWOFFIE.
Mativa Uapfa coffee ka YouTube.
Yes.
And then yeah,
Facebook ni Mativa Uapfa.
She might be a regular.
And then there's
so.
everything and everything.
Oh yeah, mangrasi
Yeah.
mazaza.
Ndiya chimwe chimwe. That's why you everything and anything. Ninga the one okuringisa na mimbete lengo ndwane pala.
Okay, it's fine. So, bono neta.
Ngori ndela kata. Erikolwa mbo. Are we fighting?
Bono okay, arina very cool fine. Wako mtadera we.
Anzize matoni asimamboza tu. But look at me.
Namu ndari kunyanga camera ini ava hapa ati
But look at me.
Zvinava ko direction dzavati dzitodi ati zita nempengo.
Wakomba kwaveza.
Amena ni ntsango anino make up. Mananzwa ndakara ushapo. Okay guys, maybe we'll see you next week or that other week. For now we're gone. Bye.
Bye.